I used to think getting a D plus meant my life was over. I literally had negative $40 in my bank account, couldn't afford to take my girlfriend at the time to a date at Chipotle, and my parents were hella disappointed. But here's the thing, that D plus turned out to be the biggest blessing of my life. So let me show you exactly how I went from failing psychology to making over $100,000 profit online since I was 22. So look, if you're watching this, you're probably questioning if college is even worth it. Maybe you're struggling with classes like I did, or maybe just deep down, you know the whole 9-to-5 corporate life isn't meant for you. I was literally that same kid sitting in my dorm room at the University of Virginia, one of the top schools in America, not to toot my own horn, but I was straight up watching my GPA tank after it was so fucking perfect. And that D plus tanked my 4.0 GPA to like a 3.2, 3.1. And let me take you back to that exact moment. It's beach week after finals. I'm chilling with my girlfriend at the time and all my friends at the beach, having a fun, amazing time. Everybody's getting lit, drunk as hell. And then all of a sudden, everybody's saying, oh my God, grades are coming out. Everybody check your phone. And so my heart starts racing. I'm like, holy shit, like what did I get in that intro psychology class? So I pull out my phone and I see A's, 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 A's at the very bottom of the report card. It was intro psychology. It was a D plus. And I was devastated. I thought like my whole life was over, like no company was gonna hire me. But check this out. At that exact moment, feeling like a complete failure, something clicked. Instead of accepting that D plus was gonna define my entire fate, my future, just gonna accept that I'm just some stupid little fuck, I started questioning everything about quote unquote success. So this was my bank account at the time. Negative $40, you see that, right? So let me know in the comments, do you have more than negative $40 in your bank account? Because if you did, you have more money than at my lowest point. And so yeah, basic math, your boy cannot afford a bowl of Chipotle. Hell, like I was in debt with like 3 bowls of Chipotle. And so the reason I bring up Chipotle was because at the time, I was dating this girl and we were supposed to have a date at Chipotle. And obviously I had no money, so I was texting my mom like, yo, I'm going on this date. Can you send me $20 real quick? And my mom didn't respond in time. And I had to tell my girlfriend at the time like, hey, actually, I can't afford this. And I can tell you right now, that was probably one of the most embarrassing moments of my life. But here's where it gets interesting. While all my college classmates were worried about their GPAs, I started learning something no college professor was teaching: how to actually make money in the real world. Now, I actually landed a Microsoft internship at the time, and most people would be hype about that. Like straight up 6 figures out of college, the perfect backup plan. You're basically set for life, and if you're Asian, like your Asian parents will be mad proud you made it to a top company with a dream career. Something just didn't feel right. Then COVID hit. Classes went online, I had all the free time in the world, and I just thought to myself, like 60, 70 years from now, what do I want to tell my great grandkids what I did during the great coronavirus? Like, do I want to tell them I was scrolling on TikTok and Instagram all day, just chilling? Or do I want to tell them that I built a 6 to 7 figure business? So I went all in, invested in a mentor, spent all $5,000 I had. If you're wondering how, Microsoft paid me $5,000 as a signing bonus for the internship, and I spent every dollar of that into a mentor. And let me tell you, everyone thought I was crazy as hell. My friends, parents, sister, they were like, what the hell are you doing? Like, this is your first taste of real money, and you're putting it into a entrepreneurship business dream. But check this out, I landed my first $2,000 client within 3 days, made 10K a month my first month. Fast forward to today, 4 years later, I make over $100,000 a month online. And no, these aren't some fake guru numbers, like these are legit Stripe payments coming in while I'm filming this video. And it's not just me either. Look at Paul, making $19,000 with one client, like his first week working with me. Or look at Gabe, my fellow Asian brother, going from $0 to $30,000 a month online his first couple months. And these aren't just random numbers. These are real people that I actually got to meet in person once they were making enough money. And they use the exact same system I'm about to show you. But here's the dark side nobody talks about. The more your company grows, the more pressure you have to perform. So when I was making $2,000 a month or even 10K a month, life was on easy mode. Like I had no responsibilities. It was basically all profit because I didn't have to pay anybody else. No team, no systems, no automation. But now at $100,000 a month, I got team members to pay, software costs, and hella more responsibility. But don't get me wrong, I'm not complaining. I get to wake up in this apartment every day, work maybe 2 to 3 hours a day. Actually, I'm just kidding, I'm capping. 1 to 2 hours a day max, and I actually get to enjoy my life. But I want you to understand something really important. Success isn't about being perfect. It's not about your GPA, your background, or even how much money's in your bank account right now. It's about willing to try something different when everyone else is playing it safe. Like, look at this kid. Terrible psychology grade, had negative $40 in his bank account. Filipino parents wondering why is their son throwing away his perfect opportunity with Microsoft for some entrepreneurship pipe dream. If someone told me back then I'd be making more in a month than most people do in a year, I wouldn't believe them. But here's what I learned, and this is fucking crucial. The same skills that got me a D+ in psychology, understanding how people think. Why do they make decisions? What makes them take action? Those exact same skills are what helped me build this business. And I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it, how I find clients, what I message them, how I close $6,000 deals every single day through Instagram DMs. But first, let me ask you something. What would you do if you had the freedom to work from anywhere with whoever you want, whenever you want? Because that's not a dream to me anymore. It's actually my real reality now. See these Stripe notifications? This is real money coming in while I sleep, while I travel, while I'm filming this damn video right now. And look, I know you're feeling stuck. Maybe you're questioning your path like I was. Maybe you're tired of watching everyone else live their dream life while you're still stuck in your same routine. But I want you to know something. That D+ could have defined my life. I could have just threw in the towel, called it quits, just lived an average 9-to-5 corporate life. But instead, it became the turning point that changed everything. And if you're willing to learn what I'm about to show you, it could be your turning point too. So I'm hosting a free class this Thursday, breaking down exactly how I built this business, step by step, every little detail, all the sauce, not just the highlights, but the actual strategy, how to find clients, what to message them, how to close deals, even if you're a complete ground zero beginner. Just click the link in my description to save your spot. I'm gonna break down exactly how I went from having negative $40 in my bank account to making over $100,000 a month profit online. And like I said, literally every step, the entire blueprint, I'm giving it all away for free, all live. And so just remember this, your grades don't define your future, your actions do. And if you want to learn more about building an online business, just check out my free YouTube course. I put together a complete playlist showing you everything you need to know from landing your first client to scaling all the way to 6 figures, even 7 figures a year like me. So just click here to watch that next, and I'll see you on the class on Thursday. Peace.